Hello friends, today we will learn about keywords and identifiers. Okay, today we will complete this topic very nicely. I will try my best to make you understand this topic. Actually, from now, the actual Java which is belongs to coding will start. Okay, so we have just okay. First of all, we will complete keywords and identifiers. After that, we will complete operators. From operators, okay, before operators we will do data type and variable. After that we will do operators. From there we will start doing codes. Okay, we will see how to implement codes inside notepad. Okay, that all thing we will do inside uh, notepad, and we will see how to get output on the console. Okay, so basically today we will do keywords and identifiers. From here means we can say that now we are more focused on codes. Okay, more focused on codes because Java is all about coding. Okay, so basically we can say that token. Okay, inside token keywords and identifiers lies. Okay, inside token keywords and identifiers lies. Actually there are many things inside tokens, not only keywords identifiers. There will be a comment. Okay, literal. Okay, there will be a comment literal separator. Okay, these all things will be there. Operators. Okay, these are under token. Keywords, identifiers, identifiers, comments. Okay, operators, literals, literals, separator, or we can say it as spatial spatial symbols. These are the types of tokens. Inside tokens, keyword and identifiers are present. Okay, so basically we will focus in means all of the point. Okay, all of the categories, but we will more focus on keyword and identifier because these both of these are more important when we write codes. Okay, so basically are you, so basically from where we should start. Okay, so let's take keywords. Okay, let's take keywords. From here we will start. Let's take a new paint. There we will write. Okay, see keywords. So we can say keyword as a predefined words. Okay, predefined words, compiler aware words. It is written in a lower case, and the fourth one we can say that we as a programmer cannot use it in another other use. We as a programmer cannot use it in another way. Okay, for example, we can't use keyword as an identifier. Okay, like that. So first part I have told that predefined words. Find words. Compiler aware words. Okay, it is written in lowercase. Okay, and the fourth one is we cannot use it for another purpose. We can not not use keyword keywords for any other purpose. Okay, like this. So actually these things are, we can say with this 4 point that what is actually keyword is. Okay, a compiler knows what is keyword actually. It is written in lowercase. Okay, so we cannot use keyword as an identifier. Like that, we can say also we cannot use keyword for any other purpose. Okay, so what is predefined words? Predefined words are those words which were written in lowercase. Like we can say it is a predefined word. It is a keyword. Okay, we can say this as a keyword. Okay, we can say uh, let's take synchronized synchronized as a keyword. Okay, so here you can see the common thing that all are written in lowercase. Okay, we can say that void is a keyword. Okay, so there are more than 51 keywords. Okay, now I think it is crossed almost it is crossed 70. Okay, every new update, new keywords are just added on inside Java. Okay, so these are our keywords. Like if is a keyword, okay, else is a keyword, switch is a keyword. These are all keywords which are written in lowercase. Okay, so these things, these words are understood by the compiler. Okay, so that's why we say compile aware words, and it is predefined. We cannot use for any other purpose. Okay, we cannot use for any other purpose. After that, yes. So this is all about keywords. Very easy. Okay, so we cannot write keyword like this. Okay, and this is not a keyword. This is a class. String is a class. Okay, it is not a keyword. Let's take some example. uh, Java keyword example. Java keywords: abstract, assert, boolean, break, byte, case, catch, char, class, continue, default, do, double, else, export, extend. All are the keywords. Okay, all are the keywords. So when we do code, then we will understand more what is keyword is. For now, you have to just remember these all points. These all points which I have written here. Like it should be predefined word, it should be compiler aware word, lowercase. We cannot use keyword for any other purpose. Okay, so this is the keyword. Okay, it is very simple. Okay, let's jump to identifiers. Identifiers. See, we will now focus more on identifiers. So, what is identifier? This is written by the programmer. Okay, but programmer should follow some rules. It is not rules, we can say it is a convention. Okay, there are some rules. Okay, there are some rules and there is some conventions. Okay, there are two things inside identifiers, not two things, but whenever we write a code and when we use identifiers, these two things are should be means that 2 points should be remembered. Like what is the rule to be followed and what should be the convention that should be followed. Okay, so basically, first of all, we focus on convention, then we will focus on rules. Okay, or first focus on rules. Okay, second we will focus on convention. First we will focus on rules, then we will focus on convention. Okay, deal done. Let's start. See, first of all, a programmer creates an identifier. Okay, it is not a predefined word. We can create anything which we with our need. Okay, so class, for example, we write code. So for example, we are creating a class of student. So we can see this S is in uppercase. Okay, so I am actually explaining you the conventions. First of all, I will explain you the rules. So rules, what are the rules? We cannot, we can, one first point, okay, we cannot write number from starting. Okay, this is the first rule that should be followed. These are all the rules. Okay, we cannot write numbers from starting. There cannot be a gap between the characters, or cannot be a gap between characters. Okay, third, we cannot use we can not use mm, 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 symbols. Okay, symbols, except except this dollar and underscore. Okay, these are the rules that should be maintained. And okay, we cannot write numbers from the starting. Okay, there cannot be a gap between characters. We cannot use symbol except dollar and underscore. For example, if you are writing like this, so it is wrong. Why? Because it is starting from the number. We cannot start from the number. First of all, we should write this, then number. Okay. Second, we cannot give gap like this. Okay, this is also wrong. And we cannot provide any other symbol like this. Okay, like this. These are wrong. We can provide dollar. Okay, dollar. In the starting also we can provide dollar. Okay, and underscore or like this. Sorry, this. So these are valid. Okay, so this should be followed. If we will not write correctly this in this way the identifiers, then we can then the compiler throws error. Okay, then compilers throw error. So follow the rules we should follow the rules. Okay, one more point is there. So you can also find out that 4 point and comment on the comment box. Okay, what will be the fourth point? There is one more point. Okay, now let's move towards the convention. Okay, so in convention, it is not it is not mandatory but highly recommended. This is the most important point that we should follow in the convention. It is not mandatory. Okay, it is not mandatory, sorry, but highly recommended. Okay, so why it is not mandatory? If you not follow the convention, it will not throw an error from the compiler. Okay, but highly recommended because it should maintain the standard for the company. Means it is a company standard that should be followed. Okay, so for example, when there are actually three cases for methods. Okay, methods. Second one is for variables, and third is for class name. So in all this we use conventions. Okay, and these three are actually also a identifier. Okay, this is a identifier that actually created by a programmer. These words are not predefined, they are just used by the programmer to fulfill their need. Okay, so understand, we can say that uh, we the programmer create this uh, identifiers to fulfill their needs. Yeah, it's right. To fulfill their need. Whatever the need is, that type of name. I will explain you what actually I'm telling. For example, we are adding. So we are just put add equal to a plus b. Okay. So we have taken this as an add because we are adding. So that type of variable name we have took to fulfill our need. Okay, in the right way. We can say like this. Okay. So just delete it. Come here. See, method, variable, class name. So let's start from class name. Okay, class name. So how we can write class name? So first word, first character should be in uppercase, and okay, and the second character also. If there is one word, then so we can, if we are just taking class name as a student, so student, student. Okay, so see, the first word is in the uppercase, and if there will be two words, then for example the class name is laptop pen drive. This is a class name. Okay, I'm taking example. So laptop. Okay, and the second word also in the uppercase, pen drive, like this. So you can see this, you can see this laptop, L is in uppercase, and the second word first letter is in uppercase. So this is the right way to follow. If we do like this, there will be any error? No error. Okay, it will be not error, but we should not do like this. Okay, see, we can't understand what is written here, lap pen drive, like this, but we should write like this. Okay, we should like this. Now see, this is the thing. First, what I have told you, yes, it is for the class name. What will be for method name? Let's go for method name. Okay, so in method, the first word should be in the lowercase, but from the second it should be the uppercase. All word first first all word first letter should be in the uppercase from the second. See, for example, method name is add. So we will write like this. Okay, like write like this. If there will be two words, so we should write like this: add minus. So you can see here the second word first letter will be in uppercase. So you can see here, okay, that I'm actually telling. Again, let's take some more any other method name. For example, uh, 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 let's take mm, get pen. Okay, get pen name. Get pen name. Okay, so you can see here the first character should be in lowercase, but from the second word, first character should be uppercase, and the third word, first character should be uppercase. So this is the right way to write methods name. Okay, so we have seen two things. We have seen two things. Method we have completed, class name we have completed, and variable also follow the same rules. What the method name, what method convention we should follow, the same variable also, like for example, like add, it is a variable name. Okay, for example, a. Okay, we can't write like this, it will be the error. Okay, it will be the error. After that, for example, what we can say as a variable name, for example, name. Okay, in the lowercase, id, like this. Okay, all are lowercase. If there are two words, in a single, then we should just make second word first letter should be in uppercase. That's the rule. Okay, so we have just understood the identifiers, okay, in which we understood the conventions, okay, we understood them how to write the method, okay, variable, class name, okay, and we also seen the rules. These are the rules, okay, these are the rules. So these are identified. When we see in the code, we will see it. It will come. Okay, it will come. We will understand by the code when we do code. Okay, no, not an issue. Come here. Wait. So till now we have seen identifiers and keywords. Now we will switch to comments. No, it's not that much interesting. First we should yes operators. We will switch to operators. Okay. So we have completed this two. Now we will going for operators. Come here. See. Mm, 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 mm. Let's delete this and now we will understand the operators. So basically why we are studying this, because these all the tokens, okay, part of the tokens. And what is token is, it is a smallest unit, it is an smallest element, okay, of our programming language, or we can say our instruction. So these are all the basic units that we are studying. When we learn the basic units, after that we will go for the big codes, okay, when we just add all thing in a single class, then it is a program, okay. Now we are studying smallest units. These are smallest units. So basically now we will understand operators, okay. So what are the operator is, okay, this is the operator, okay, basic that which we have learned in the computer in 11 12, that is similar to this. These are the operators, okay. uh, we use operator with operands, okay. So for some basic to perform some basic operations, okay, in the simple word, what are operators? Operator is simply give us some basic, we perform some basic operations using operator, so we get some values or data. That's why we use operators, okay. So these are all operators. These are all operators, okay. This is the operator, okay. These both are operators. So there are multiple operators, okay. So we can see from that our Google, okay, operators, operators in Java, okay. Let's see what are the operators in Java. So these are all operators, and operator is also one topic that we'll learn in the next class. Not next class, after data types and variables. After that, we will learn operators. Okay. For now, I'm just showing that what are the types of operators. Okay, like assignment operators, relational operators are there. So we can write here. Okay, we can write here like this, okay, like this, okay, like this. These all are operators, okay. And see, it is the smallest unit also, that's why it is inside token, okay. So actually also I have explained you what our operator is, okay. So this is the operator. Now let's see, we have understood operators. See comment, what is comment? Let's see comments. See, the comments wrote inside the code only, but it's not go inside the compiler to get dot class file, okay. The comment which we write to understand something, so to understand our codes only, okay. or for any other purpose. Wait, I will explain you. See, I am writing a simple code. Okay, class. Okay, student. Okay, and I am just writing a main method. Okay, so public static static void main. Okay, see main inside main string. Okay, str inside this we are writing, simply we are adding, add equal to, okay, doing a plus b, and here I will just providing int a equal to, okay, don't take tension, I will explain everything. Okay, just I am trying to explain the comments. Okay, a equal to 5, okay, and b equal to 6. So I just initialize it. So what we have written a code, okay, what we written code, that will explain by the comments. So how we write the comment like this, okay, comment. Now I am telling what is actually happening for our understanding, so we can write like this, adding. So here by this we will understand that we are adding this to, okay. So this is the comment which is not going inside the compiler for the compiling purpose. Okay, this just for the explanation part of our code. Okay, and one more point for comment is that, for example, I am doing minus. Okay, minus equal to a minus b. Okay, I am doing minus. So basically, if you don't want to use this code to go to the compiler, okay, this is a unused for now. For future it may be useful, but for now it is not an useful code. So we can just comment it for now because we have to do minus. Okay, this is also the use of comments. Okay, there is one more way of writing comment is, okay, like this. Okay, just remove from here and just write like this. So the whole line, the first line, the second line will be get commented. Okay, and if you want to comment all three lines, so just you have to write like this, like this. So again it is get comment, whole line, not a single line will go to the compiler. Okay, because these are not a code, part of a code, just a what we can say for our understanding and no use of it. Okay, that's why we are commented it for now, but this will go to the compiler. So we can also comment this, and the whole the means whole line will be not useful to write here, so we just remove it. Okay, what actually I'm told to you, see, it is also commented, it is also commented, so no line is going to inside the compiler. Okay, so all are wastage, that actually I'm telling. So that is the comment is, when we will do code, then I will try my best to better understand you. Okay, I will try my best to understand you more. Okay, just see now for the theory part like this. Okay, now come here. So I have explained you the comment, I have explained you the identifier, I have explained you the keywords. Okay, I have explained you the operators. What are the literals? Okay, literals are nothing but the data. See, it is coming from the literature. Okay, it is coming from the literature. The word is coming from the literature. Literature is what? Written data. Like that, when we write a code, it is a data for us. So it is also a written data. For example, I'm writing int a equal to 5. Okay, so this value is that literal. This value is a literal for us. Okay, for example, I'm writing float, okay, f equal to 2.5f. So this is literal for us. Okay, the value is literal for us. This is the data. So it is also in the smallest unit. Okay, it is also the smallest unit. So that's why it is come inside the token. Okay, and this is also the data string. Okay, s equal to Vishal. It is also the data. So these things are what? Literals. Okay. Now the last thing is separators. Separators. After that, I will just jump to the code and I will show this all token inside the code for the better understanding. Okay, for the better understanding. So just wait. Okay, just wait and I will show you inside the code for better understanding. Okay, I think that I've just done lots theory. After that, I will just jump. After explaining separator, I will jump to code. Okay. After separators, I will jump to the code and I will try to make you understand there. Then we will enjoy more. Okay. So basically, separators are what? Which separates the statements in the simple way we can understand. Okay. So, for example, just system dot out dot println. Okay, so we provide here one separator. After that the next line will start. Okay, for this also a separator class. Okay, class name. Okay, and we have provided this parenthesis. So this is also a separator. Okay, and for each we will study for each inside array, but for now I'm just trying to explain you something, that's why I'm writing. So this is also an separator. Okay, this is also a separator. These are the separator also. These brackets are separator. This colon is separator. This semicolon is separator, and these brackets are separator. All are separator. Why? They are dividing two statements. Okay. When we are writing like this, int a, okay, equal to 5, comma b equal to 6. Okay. Then this is also separator. This is also separator. And what is this b? B is int. Then we will see. Okay. Don't worry for that. Now let's go to the code and try to understand. Okay, now in my lectures, in my live lectures, I will use notepad till before oops. Okay, before oops means control flow statements. Till control flow statements I will use notepad. Okay, for now, I will use online Java compiler because I don't need to explain you Java C how to compile it, how to interpret it. I am just trying to explain you what are the smallest unit of programming. So that's why I am using compiler, online compiler in Google for now. But I will explain you every codes inside Notepad. Okay. So let's go. Let's come and go here. Okay, wait. Let's come here for online Java compiler. See, online Java compiler, not here. Online Java compiler. Okay, so come here. See, okay, so you can see here one piece of code is written here. Okay, class hello world public static void main. Okay, string. Okay, array args. Okay, system.out.println try promise.pro. Okay, and the brackets are closed. See, this class is okay and keyword. Why? See, written in lowercase. That's why it is a keyword. Public is keyword. Okay, why it is written in a lowercase. Static is keyword. Why it is written in lowercase. Void is a keyword. Why it is written in lowercase. Okay, main is what? It is a method. Okay, and method is what? It is an identifier. Okay, hello world is what? Class name. So how it is written? See, H is written in uppercase, W is written in uppercase. Okay, the first word, first letter is in uppercase, and from second, the first word, first letter is in uppercase. So that how we write class name. See here, this way. Okay, that I have explained to you. String is actually an class. It is written in a lower case. Okay, so it is not an not an keyword, it is an identifier. Okay, system is a class. Okay, that's why it is s is in uppercase. Out is what? Reference variable. Now for now you can understand it as a variable. So it is an identifier. Okay. Println is an identifier. Okay. Inside this it is a literal. Okay, it is a literal. And this bracket, small bracket, sorry, curly parenthesis. This parenthesis is separated. Okay. This square box is a separator. Okay. This semicolon is a separator. Okay, and this bracket of method is also a separator. So these all are what? Small things are what? Smallest unit of programming language, or we can say smallest unit of instructions. Okay, so this whole I make you understand actually what I have told to you. Okay, so come here. Just I am running this. See, the output is coming. Okay, so first of all, what actually I have told that string. Okay, I told you string s, okay, equal to, I'm just right here, Vishal. Okay, Vishal. So you can see here, string string is what? It is a class. So it is an identifier. S is what? Variable. So it is an identifier. This is what? It is an literal because it is a data. Okay. Again, I am writing a system which is in class, so it is an identifier. Okay. Out, it is a it is a variable, so it is a what? It is uh, identifier. Okay. Println is a method, so it is an identifier. This both bracket is what? It is an separator, and inside this, what I am writing? S. What is this? It is a it is a literal, oh sorry, variable. So identifier. So here in the output we will see Vishal. Okay. So got it. So have you understand this? Okay. After this, see what actually I'm doing. For example, I will explain you all what is int. Okay, what is int? In the next class, I will explain this only. Int a equal to 5. Okay. After that, I'm writing int. See in the see what is written here. Online Java compiler. Okay. So these both are get commented. Okay, these both are get commented. So these are not the part of code. Okay, this is not a part of code which is going to the compiler for the compiling purpose. Okay, now see here, if I remove from it here, okay, it will give an error. Okay, it will give an error. And one more way we can do the comment that I have told to you, like this. Okay, like this. So these both lines are get commented. Okay, now focus on here, focus here. So I am just taking 10. Okay. So we can see here, int is what? It is an, we can see it is written in lowercase. Okay. It is written in lowercase. So this is an keyword. A is what? A is what? It is a variable. So it is an identifier. This is what? Equal to. We can say it as a symbol, special symbol, or we can say it as a separator. What is 5? It is a literal. Okay. After that, this is what? This is a semicolon. So it is a separator. Okay, separator or special symbol are both same. Okay, see again I am taking int. So what is this? This is an uh, keyword. B is what? B is a variable name. That's why it is an identifier. This is what equal to. Equal to is a symbol. Okay, symbol. So it is not an symbol or separator. It is a part of operator. Remember, okay, it is a both are the part of operator. It is a token, but it is a part of operator. Okay, that we will learn in future classes. Okay, it is actually the part of assignment operator. So we will say it as a operator. 10 is what? Data, literal. So it is a literal. And what is this? This is a semicolon. It is a separator. Why it is a separator? See, from here again I can write int c equal to 15. Okay, so we can write like this. Why we can write like this? Because it is separating the statements. Okay, it is separating the statements. That's why we can write like this. Or we can do one more way. See, just remove here that semicolon, provide comma, which is also a separator, and again we can write like this: d equal to 25. Okay, so we can write like this also. Now after that we have to write semicolon. Okay, so these are the way to write. Now see, int, okay, and equal to, okay, after that what actually I am doing, I am just a plus b plus c plus d. Okay, after that I'm just printing system dot out dot println, okay, and writing here add. Okay, see, first we will see the output, run. So 55 is coming. Okay, it's fine. Now see here. Again I'm telling what is int is. Int is int is keyword. Add is what? Variable name. So it is a identifier. Equal to is what? Operator. Okay. A is what? A is a variable name. So identifier. Here plus signs are what? It is an operator. Okay. And A B C D is what? It is an variable. That's why it is an identifier. Okay. System is what? System is a class. Okay, that's why it is an identifier. Out is what? Variable. That's why it is a identifier. Println is what? Println is a method. That's why it is identifier. And add is what? It is a variable name. That's why it is an identifier. Okay, and this is what? It is a semicolon. That's why it is an separator. Okay, now see here. What is actually a comment is? Just what actually I'm doing, I'm just like this. See, now when we just go for run, we will get a error. See, why we get error? Because because variable a and variable d are not understood by the compiler. Okay, variable a and variable d are not understood by the compiler because we just commented it. Now it will not go to the compiler. Why it will not go to the compiler? Because now this will be not found inside the code. Okay, this will not find inside the code. Actually the compiler will come. Okay, compiler controller will come. It will just see like this. Okay, it will be get skipped and the compiler from see from here. Okay, compiler skipped this line because it is commented. That's why the controller will come here in the seventh line and initialize this 10 as a b, initialize this 15 as a c. After that it will go to add, and after that it will get means it will print add. Okay, it will, this line will be missed by the compiler or the skipped by the compiler or ignored by the compiler. Okay, why? Because we have commented this. If we remove the comment, again the compiler will come and see first of all this line, and it will see that a get initialized equal to 5 and d will initialize equal to 25. Okay, this thing will be happen. So now we will not get an error. Okay. Okay. Fine. So are you understanding this? We have seen keyword, identifier, comments, operator, literal, separator, okay, symbols. So there are many things to understand. Okay, there are many things to understand. Let's come here and focus on this. See, if I will just make h small, there will be an issue, not an issue. Okay, when I will run this, we will get an output, no, not an issue. If we will make w small, there will be any issue. It will not, and there will be no issue. Okay, there will be no issue. See, 55. So it is not mandatory, but highly recommended. See, now we can't understand this. Okay, hello world is written, and for understanding the class name, we should use this. Okay, then we will understand that it is a class name. Okay, so we should write like this. Okay, so from this we can understood that it is a class name. For example, see, string is written like this. So we got to know that it is a class. Okay, when we write system, so we write like this. So we will get to know that it is a class. Okay, so if you write like this, we will get confused. Okay, we will get confused. It is a class or a keyword, because when a keyword we write, it will be in a lowercase. Okay, it will be a lowercase. So from this we get to know that it is a class. That's why we write like this. Okay, in the uppercase. And for method, what we will do? See, I'm just creating one method. Okay, don't be worry what actually I'm doing. This all thing I will explain in the future classes. Okay, so for now, just I'm trying to explain you the identifiers and keyword. For that, I am just writing. Okay, so I'm creating one. Don't worry what I am writing public void. Just focus on what actually I'm saying. Public void static. Okay, and I'm writing here like get name. Okay, like this. I'm writing like this. And here I'm just writing system dot out dot println. Okay, println. So here I'm just writing Vishal. Okay, see, so from this we get to know it is a method. Okay, so it is an identifier. And why, how we are getting to know that it is a method? Because see, the first word is in lowercase and the second word first letter is in uppercase. Again I'm repeating, first word first letter is in lowercase, and from second word first letter is in uppercase. So from this we get to know it is a method. Okay, it is a method. Don't be worry why I'm writing here. Okay, don't be worry. I'm just error. Public void static. Okay, okay, okay. Hmm. See here. So how we differentiate all? See, whenever we write variable, okay, so variable is written like this. Int, for example, add. This is a variable, okay. And how we write method? We write method like this. Get, okay, name, and there should be a bracket, okay, curly bracket like this. So we can say that it is a what? It is a method. And for class we write like this. Okay, write like this. So now you got to know why we write like this. Okay, the identifier for the variable name, for the method name, and for the class name. Different categories have different way of writing. Okay, different category have different way of writing, and here it is a keyword. Okay, it is a keyword. Now let's see here what actually I'm doing. So I'm removing this. Okay. So I will now show you separator in different ways. For, don't be worry. Okay, why I'm writing for what is for? I will teach you loops. Inside loop it is written in for. Oh sorry. Inside loop there is a for loop. Okay. In that I will explain you all about the for loop. Okay, so no need to worry. Int I equal to 0. Okay, I less than, okay, 5, I plus plus. Okay, system dot out dot println. Okay, see, I am typing hello world. Okay, see here, this is what, okay, this is an identifier, not identifier. This is a keyword. See here, why it is a keyword. This is a keyword because it is written in lowercase. Okay, inside this is a bracket. Okay, this is a separator, or we can say better that it is a special symbol. Okay, it is a special symbol. This is an keyword. Okay, I is what, it is a variable, so it is an identifier. Equal to what, it is an operator. Zero is what, it is a literal. Semicolon is what, semicolon is a separator or special symbol. Okay, I is what, again I is same variable, so it is a identifier. Less than is what, less than is a operator. Okay, 5 is what, it is a data. Semicolon is what, semicolon is our separator or special symbol. I is what, I was a variable name. That's why it is the identifier. Plus plus is what? It is an operator. This bracket is what? Special symbol or separator. Okay. This parenthesis is what? Parenthesis is a bracket. Separator or a special symbol. System is class. Okay. I am repeating again and again. Okay. I am repeating again and again. That's why it will be remembered from the heart. Okay. That's why I am repeating again and again, because in the starting you should remember all these things, so in the future when we will study more topics of Java, then you will remember all these things. Okay, because these all things will be used forever. Okay, in the future in the advanced Java. That's why I'm repeating again and again. That I think that it should be just fixed inside your mind what is all these things are. Okay, that's why I'm repeating again and again. So println is what, it is a method. Okay, it is a method. This dot is what, it is a symbol. Okay, it is a symbol. Println is what, it is a method. Okay, that's why it is an identifier. Hello world is what, it is a literal data. And the semicolon, you also know what is this. This is a separator. Now I will just running it. So 5 times it will be printing. How it is happening, that will I will explain you in the further classes. Okay, so no need to be worried. No need to be worried. Hmm. So okay, yeah. So we have understood all these things. We have understood what is identifier. Okay, identifier. Okay, we have understood hmm, comments. Okay, we have understood keywords. We have understood literals. Literals. We have understood identifiers, comments, keywords, literals. What more we have understood? Separators, separators. Okay, that all things we have understood. And Special symbol is come inside this, come inside print operators. Okay, and we have understood operators. Okay, so these things we have understood. Now, after this, we will move to data types and keywords. From there, sorry, actually we have done this today. After this, we will learn data types and variable. After that, we will go to operators. Okay, then we will start our next journey. Okay, so if anyone having any doubt, see I have commented this all. Now, if I will run, there will be nothing, not an issue. Okay, not an issue. If I just remove, okay, and I will run, then see error will come because this all data will move to compiler and compiler can't understand this is actually what. Compiler understand variables, okay, classes, okay, methods. These all things understand by the compiler. They understand operators, separators, these things are, but not a random values. So if we combine this and then run, there will be not an issue. There will be not an issue. Okay, not an issue. So okay, so that much is sufficient for the today class. Okay, nothing more to teach in this. Okay, nothing more to teach in this. I think that much is sufficient to understand. Okay, so okay, fine. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Nice day. Okay. From the next class, we will start data types and variables. These two topics we will do in the next class. Okay. Till now, what actually we have done? We have done. Okay. What is Java? Okay. What is Java? After that, we have understood why Java is high level. Okay, language. After this, we have seen features of Java, features of features of Java. Okay, history of Java. Actually, history of Java is before this. History of Java, features of Java. Inside, we have got to know that Java is a robust language. Okay, it is multi-threaded, which is actually a topic or a subject inside Java. Okay, multi-threaded platform, platform, independent that I have make you understand in the previous classes. Okay, why is Java is platform independent? Why is Java is a high performance language? High performance language. Okay, it is an interpreter language. Interpreter language. If you talk about security purpose, it is a highly secured language. Okay, highly secured language. So these all are the features inside Java. Okay, it is an architecture, neutral language. Okay, no issue of 64-bit or 32-bit. It can be run in any language. Okay, it is portable. Okay, it is portable. So this much thing I have teach you. After that, I make you understand. Okay, keywords and identifiers, identifiers, and all that comments, literals. Okay, operators. What are all these things? Okay, so you should know these all things. First, should feel this. What is Java? Why Java high level language? History of Java you should know. Who created this? James Gosling and his team, which is belongs to the Sun Microsystem company, actually created Java in 1996. Okay, like this you should understand. What is the current feature, a current uh, version of Java, that is JDK 22. Every month, a new features launched in the market every 6 months. Sorry, after every 6 months, a new version of Java launched. Okay, that should you know. You should know the features of Java. Why you are studying? Because it is robust. Okay, I make you understand what is actually robust is. Java is multi-threaded. It is a platform-independent, high-performance, interpreted language, secured language, architecture, neutral, portable. Okay, these are things. Okay, then after that we understand keywords, identifiers. Okay, and from the next class we will study data types and variables. So this is the flow. Okay, actually Java is very big language. Okay, very big language. After data types and variables, operators we will study. Okay, after operators we will study what? We will study control statements. Okay, control statements. After that, inside control statement, there are for, if, okay, if else, okay, if else, if, okay, like this. After a switch, okay, these all things, while, okay, do while. So lots of things to make you understand. After that, we will go for number programming. Okay, number programming. Okay, after that, what will go? We will go for oops, which is the most important topic. Okay, which is the most important topic? That should be oops. Okay, that is oops. Okay, in between that, I will make you understand array. Okay, I will make you understand array. I will make you understand exception handlings. Okay, exception handlings. After that, I will make you understand multi-threading. Okay, this is a topic. After that, I will make you understand access modifier. Okay, what is package is, that I will make you understand. After this, we will go for collection. Okay, after that, I will go for JDBC. Now our core Java is converting to our advanced Java. After JDBC, we will go to understand servlet. After servlet, we will go for JSP. So you can see how big is Java. Okay, after JSP, we will go for Spring, Hibernate, Hibernate, Spring Boot, Spring Boot. So it is a very big journey. Okay, so if if I will continue, I will end here the live class. Okay, if means till core Java is this much. Okay, collection part. After that, it is an advanced Java part. Okay, after that it is the advanced Java part. These are all from the core Java. These are from the core Java. Okay, part of a core Java. These are the part of the core Java. And after this, all are the part of the advanced Java. Okay, so I try my best to make you understand core Java. Okay, after that I will launch a new class for the advanced Java. Okay, in which we will go to understand all the advanced part of a Java. Okay, all the advanced part of a Java. Okay, So this is a very big journey. Okay, so we have till done 5% or 2% of Java. Okay, so it's a very big journey, and the practice also much very much important. Practice is also very much important. Okay, means whatever I am trying, I means make you understand that should be practiced lots. Then you will get to know. Okay, practice, because when we enter oops, everything will be changed there, and nothing will be get understand. Okay, there when we start oops, okay, oops, so you will feel what the new thing we are going to study. Okay, but I will try my best to make you understand oops in a very better way, means next level. Okay, next level, I will make you understand oops in the next level. I have also put it one lecture of oops in Hindi. Okay, in Hindi. Wait, I am showing you my YouTube channel. Come here, see here. Wait, Vishal Vardhan. Click here. Okay, now you can see inside playlist or inside video. Video is better, best. So here you can see I have done oops in one video. It is a 4-hour lecture. When you see this, you will see what a next level I have teach here. Oops in one video. Okay, you can see here in Hindi. Okay, I've also explain the basics part. Okay, if you didn't understand from the English language, you can see these videos, these old videos. Okay, if you are not understanding my English language, you can watch in Hindi. Okay, I have provided features, tokens actually from here. Okay, from here data types and variable, I've just explain you in the next level. Okay, explain you in the next level. Your data types and real concept will be clear. Okay, because it is a one time video that I have made and it can't be made again. Operators in the next level. Okay, if else if in the next level. Okay, loop part 1 and the for loop. Okay, this video is next level. Okay, in small thing I explain inside the for loop. Okay, small things I explain in the for loop. Number programming, I have done the 10 programming questions, the most important 10 programming questions. Okay, so you can watch this also. Okay, you can watch this also. After that, I explain in the method with the next level. Okay, next level, you can watch this also. Okay, and I also make combined videos, okay, of these 10 lectures, part 1 and part 2. This both combinedly of 20 hours, that you should watch this. Okay, it is not provided inside any other channel with 20 hours of only basic explanation. Okay, people are completed full Java in 5 hours only. Okay, 10 hours only, but my basics is only of 20 hours. So you can understand what depth I have means what depth I take on in this all in this video. Now you can see this array list oops multi-threading access modifier in one video. Okay, so you can watch this also, and I am also covering the advanced Java part. Okay, this is also going on. So where it is, see, here it is. So I am also covering the advanced Java part. Okay, and also I will do the live sessions. Okay, not to worry about this. So every day one video will come. Okay, okay. So it is a very long journey. So practice must be needed. Okay, Java wants what Java wants. See what Java wants. Java wants to invest time on me. Okay, Java wants that. invest more and more time on me. Why? Because it is a brand. Okay, it is a brand. So this language wants time investment, investment, investment. Then you will understand Java importance. Investment, not investment. Okay, the word will be wrong. Okay, fine. So time investment will be high in Java because it is a very depth language and it is a very market friendly language. It is means it is from the last 20 years, okay, in the market. So Java knows how to maintain the language, maintain in the market. Okay, how to maintain in the market. So these all things about Java. Okay, so Java should be understood by all. Java should be understood by all. Okay, so fine for today. This much video is sufficient. Okay, from tomorrow we will start data types and variable. Okay, bye bye.